Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you this pulse oximeter. I would to explain, not explain. It's a short video. So how it works, it is beneficial for us, and which principle it is working. So simple. You can see. This is pulse oximeter, and when I press this main switch, so you can see this is show you finger out. Okay, so first I would to explain which quantity it will measured actually. So percentage of SpO2, that is represent your oxygen level, and second one is that is PR BPM, means your heartbeat, and third one is PI. So PI for perfusion index. You can another way you can say like your blood flow inside your body. So how it will work, I would to show. So just you can see, this is the infrared radiation actually. So one side, actually this infrared radiation from only for one side, yeah, you can see on the bottom side. So one side it will be emissions, you can say, and one side is collected. If you are understanding my point, what I want to say, that is when you crossed your when you put your finger inside this oximeter, so you can see the one side infrared radiation cross your finger and collected by the second side of the oximeter. So the simple, actually the principle is working on the Lambert-Beer's law. We all are studied in our BTech, I think. So it is working on this principle. So you can see that is for SpO2, that this represent the oxygen level. For my oxygen level is 97, so it is good. Actually the range between 95 and 100, between 100, you can say you are in good health. Or second one is for show you your heartbeat or pulse. So it is in between 70 to 100. It is good for the good health peoples. And third one is represent PI. PI represent your perfusion index, you can say. It is on percentage, and it is for, it should be on 0.04 to maybe 20%. So you are in good position, because good health position. So PI is simple, your, we can say, the blood flow, means inside your body all the parts circulating the blood is good or not. So just simple it is. And yeah, and last I would to say, and I force to you, you must have to take it. If you are go for the any health issue precautions, it is not for the corona actually. So it's good for the peoples we are living, like if you are living in your family peoples. So this all the facility, if in future or present, if you face the issue, you can go to the hospital, and this is beneficial for us. So I request you, or I suggest you, must have to purchase it. It is good. Actually the price is now it's around 1000, but before, when this not pandemic we have, it would be from 300 to 400. So you can go and purchase it if you have facing some problem like in oxygen or heartbeat. Okay, thank you.